Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop keys getting pressed automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to get into settings. So click on the search, type in settings. Then from here, we should see the accessibility tab on the left hand side. Now on this page here to the right, scroll down, and where it says interaction, we need to click onto keyboard. Then from here, make sure the sticky keys is turned off. So this press keyboard shortcuts that use multiple keys such as Control S, one key at a time. So yeah, disable that. Now also filter keys need to be toggled off as well. Okay, the next fix is to go ahead and get into device manager. So type in device manager, click into that. Now once we're inside device manager, we want to click on the keyboards. Then from here, we want to go ahead and update the drivers on these. So click on search automatically for drivers. Now, if there are any updates, they're going to ask to update here and let it update. But if you got the best drivers, you're going to have a page that says the best drivers for your device already installed. Now, a few more things we can try. So if you've got a dirty keyboard, go ahead and give that keyboard a clean. So inspect your keyboard for dirt, dust or crumbs, keys that feel stuck or pressed down. Gently clean using a compressed air or a soft brush. If a physical is physically stuck, carefully loosen it up. And the last fix is to simply restart your laptop. So a simple restart can fix those temporary glitches.